What's up? Welcome back to Chef Ed's Corner. Chef Ed's culinary plant-based masterpieces. Welcome to Chef Ed's plant-based kitchen. All right, today we are doing a beautiful elixir. All right, I like to call these elixirs because I feel that elixir just sounds and has the properties of something that is beneficial to our bodies, that is very helpful. You know, like you're playing the video games and you know you get the elixir of health, or you know the elixir of potion elixir, you know, and it's just, you know, it's a good day. You know you're about to clear the stage. Anyway, with today I wanted to create a nice concoction that fortifies the antioxidants in our body, all right? In our immune system, the things that help us going throughout the winter. Okay, so I have a few of these recipes in my arsenal that I'm gonna release, you know, to you. And this is another one of those delicious juices. It's very simple. It's carrots, apples, and strawberries. Now you wanna go with the red apples because it's gonna have more of the antioxidants in the skin, etc., etc. And what I do love about the apples that I'm using today is the fact that these were hand-picked by myself and my family right from the tree. So they are super fresh. There are no wax on them, like they are super dense. Like if you have ever had the opportunity to pick apples and eat those apples versus the apples you get in the supermarket, you can tell the difference. Like the apples in the supermarket are really soft. They're not as dense. They're not, I don't know what it is. Anyway, these apples are so sweet and just impeccable with taste. So just let's get this juicing on the way, all right? So I'm gonna crank this baby on, all right? And these kind of shots, these drinks, these elixirs, right? You can do them in small batches so they stay really fresh and you get to maximize all of the nutritional value that it has to offer, all right? If you are gonna do a good bit of this ahead of time, I honestly wouldn't do more than 2 quarts. You know, a gallon is a lot. You know, that's 4 quarts. So just because the longer it sits, the beautiful ingredients that you need to actually put into your body, the whole reason why we're doing this, they start to disappear, right? The longer it sits. So I would do these every couple days, 5 days max. Like if you're juicing for more than 5 days, you're not getting all of the benefits that you were gonna get from the first day you juiced it. Capiche? Let's get this show on the road, shall we? All right, so I wanna go with the strawberries first because they're the softest, and I wanna be able to push them through with everything else. You know what I mean? All right, juicing is done. Once there's no more pulp being pushed out, that means the machine has done what it needed to do, all right? So we're gonna, oh, I love that color. It's beautiful. All right, turn this baby off. Richness, richness, richness. All right. Right, so that was 1 apple, 1 carrot, and about 6 to 8 strawberries. All right, and we have, I'd say, about 1.5 cups of juice. All right, cheers, ladies and gentlemen. Remember to subscribe, turn on your notifications. And that's if you're interested in really unique, different plant-based options, ideas, tricks, tips, all that good stuff. I have a lot more in store for you, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I'll see you next time. This is Chef Ed. Cheers. Delicious.